Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming versions and accounts because Copilot requires a recent IntelliJ and an active GitHub Copilot subscription. Once done, sign into JetBrains or open IntelliJ and use plugins. Search for GitHub Copilot and click Install. You do this now to create the integration entry point. Make sure to restart IntelliJ when prompted. This immediate action avoids later auth conflicts and places the Copilot plugin where the IDE can request permissions from GitHub. After restart, open Settings and navigate to Plugins, then GitHub Copilot to enable it. This ensures the plugin is active in the current IDE instance. Next, trigger authentication. IntelliJ opens a browser window for GitHub OAuth. Approve the requested scopes so Copilot can generate suggestions inside your projects. Once authenticated, return to the IDE and configure editor preferences. Toggle inline completions, suggestion frequency, and assign or verify key bindings. Doing these steps now verify functionality by opening a source file and typing a function header. Copilot should show an inline completion. Accept it with Tab or your chosen key. If suggestions do not appear, first re-authenticate in Settings, ensure the plugin is up to date, and check network or proxy settings that might block OAuth or API calls. If problems persist, collect IDE logs, help right arrow show log, and contact JetBrains or GitHub support. That log helps troubleshoot authentication tokens or plugin errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.